If I've heard it once, I've heard it a million times. Nicole, it is so cool that you have a business in the garden, but I could never do what you do. But the truth is, I do like 5 things with my garden consulting business, and I'm sure that if you're a gardener, you would enjoy at least one of them. So one of the key jobs is coaching and helping others learn how to garden. So if you're a person who loves explaining things, who loves helping people in a one-on-one setting, who loves just simplifying something that's complicated, if you love talking about the garden, then you would probably love the coaching aspect of being a garden consultant. If you're the kind of person who loves to design things, who loves to create planting plans and garden plans, if you love to pick out great products, if you love shopping for plants, then you would probably love the garden consultant part of garden consulting. This is where you go in and you create a plan for your client, and then you help them find the very best products to make that plan come to life. Maybe you're the kind of person who loves seeing a project go from start to finish. You love to manage projects. You love to manage people. You love to make sure you know the start and finish of every part in the garden. You would probably love the contracting side of garden consulting. This is where you find the very best people to make the garden come to life, and then you contract with them to do the job, and you manage them for your client. You don't have to lift a finger, you just tell all the other people lifting fingers what they should do next. Maybe you're the type of person who sees other people building things in the garden and you want to be part of the action. If you love getting your hands dirty, if you like making things with your hands, then you would probably love the constructing side of garden consulting. This is where you're the person who actually helps the garden plans and designs come to life. You're the one who does the work for your client, and in this case, you get to keep almost all of the revenue. Or maybe you love teaching larger groups in a classroom setting. Maybe you like leading workshops. Then you would love the community guide aspect of garden consulting, where you lead a group of gardeners all together through a series or a process. Listen, if you love the garden and you'd love to help other people learn to love the garden too, then there is definitely an aspect of garden consulting that can work for you. I created a quiz to help you find the best fit for yourself inside the garden coach industry, and you can take the quiz completely for free. You can find the link right below this video to take the quiz, find out what preferences you have when it comes to gardening, and find a match for yourself inside this incredible and fast-growing garden consulting industry.